talk in a joke manner about very serious thing about language processing. So first of all, what do you think about my invitation picture? It made with love for Elixir community. You can see this guy with bottle. I guess it's about some magic Elixir bottle. I'm trying to explain some very basic vision about language processing in very short manner. First of all, the term is alphabet. What is about alphabet? Alphabet is a set of atomic symbols which provide to you every language where you can imagine every language. English language has own alphabet. Morse language has own alphabet too. You can see from within two symbols, just dot and minus symbol provide to us Morse language. And digital language, it's about 0 and 1. And also Erlang Elixir languages also have own alphabet. I guess alphabet is the same for Elixir and Erlang language. The same symbols, the universal set of symbols for both languages. You can see some examples which provide symbols to create atoms, variables, or floats. So alphabet is a set. So alphabet is the first term. The second. Alphabet allows to us build main complicated parts which name words. Words, it's about vocabulary. Each language has own vocabulary too. So you can imagine vocabulary of English language. It can be flat book, large volume book. You can imagine Ukrainian vocabulary, Brazilian, and also. But what about digital vocabulary? Digital vocabulary can be measured by architecture. For example, 32-bit or 64. It can be provided to us measurements for vocabulary of our architecture. If we think about vocabulary for Elixir language and Erlang language, it's different. It's different parts because Elixir vocabulary much larger than Erlang. So the second very important term is word. The way prayer language is processed, it's very simple, very simple view. It's about percentage associativity and arity, and that's three universal terms which can explain how our language processed. From now, I explain just some mathematical sentences. You can see how it processes in combination, where each operations takes position inside. So, sorry. So there are two important tools which provide us abilities to work with our languages with the machine, which name Lex and Yets. This names denotes originally C++ writing tools, Lex, which means lexical generator, and YATS, which means yet another compiler, and these names denotes the originally parent tools, and their legs in Yats. It's Erlang tool. It's from Erlang part, which provides to us legs, provides to us ability to work with words and so-called lexeme, and it provides to us to make syntactic sense around our language. So at the finish of my short talk, I want to show you some very interesting details. Maybe you asked, maybe you ask yourself before, who is first citizen of P-Machine, Erlang, or Elixir? And maybe some guys have wrong vision about Erlang first citizen and Elixir is descendant of Erlang. Not, it's not true. It's the citizen with same rules. It's just two files which can placed in as library, and these files explain syntactic sense for every language. I just show you just a second. Here is file which provides ability to build syntactic sense around Erlang language. This file provides to us Erlang language. You can see it placed an OTP, lib, compiler, src, core parts. And what difference with Elixir actually? What difference? Just another file which provides another language around the same vocabulary and around the same lexical analyzer tools. It's just explanation of Elixir language. This file is much larger and contains more syntactic construction and more complicated. But difference between languages, it's just two files and those files provide to us just two different syntactic sense of language. It's just two files, and of course if we don't decide community and a lot of packages, so difference in languages is just two files. So that's all.
So basically, Elixir and Erlang, from the perspective of the syntax, are these files that then translated from our real expressions to IST that then will be put in the binary code of Erlang. Yes?
Yes, sure.